In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Linktree URL. Whether you're setting up your social media profiles, updating your website, or sharing your links with collaborators, knowing exactly where to grab your Linktree URL will save you time and frustration. I'll walk you through it step by step, keeping everything clear and simple so you can follow along even if you're brand new to Linktree. First, open your web browser and go to the Linktree dashboard. This is the main admin page where you manage your links and customize your profile. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual details. Once you're in, you should land on the admin area where you can see your links, appearance settings, and other options. Make sure you're on this dashboard and not on your public Linktree page, because we want to access the tools that are only available when you're logged in. Now, look towards the top right corner of the dashboard. You'll see something that looks like a small preview of your Linktree URL. It usually appears as linktree followed by a slash and then your username. For example, it might say linktree your username. This text is actually your unique Linktree address, the link you'll share everywhere so people can access all your content in one place. Hover your mouse over that linktree your username area and click on it. When you click, a small drop-down or pop-up will appear, giving you more options. One of those options will be to copy the link. You're not changing anything about your account here. You're simply opening the menu that lets you grab your public Linktree URL. Next, in that small menu, click on the button that says Copy. As soon as you click it, your Linktree URL will be copied to your clipboard. There's usually a quick confirmation message or a small visual change letting you know the link has been successfully copied. From here, you can paste it wherever you need, into your Instagram bio, your TikTok profile, your YouTube description, an email signature, or even a text message. That's all you need to do. Go to your Linktree dashboard, click your link in the top right, and then hit copy. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature, and you'll always know exactly where to find your Linktree URL whenever you need it.